Hi friends, welcome back to my channel once again. I sincerely apologize for not being able to upload any videos lately. However, I am now back and I'll try to upload videos as often as possible. Now coming back to today's video, I'll be showing you how to make foam Miran flowers. You can use these flowers for embellishing your scrapbooks, cards, you can make hair accessories, dream catchers or even torans. And since we celebrated Women's Day this month, I thought of extending this celebration by announcing a giveaway on my channel. So make sure that you stay around till the end of this video to learn about the giveaway rules. Don't miss the chance to win yourself this surprise gift. And now, let's get started with the tutorial. To make our flowers, I'm using foam Miran sheets from Itsy Bitsy. These are thin foam sheets meant for flower making. They come in a pack of 4 sheets of either the same color or assorted colors. I chose to buy the assorted color pack for more variety. I love the packaging of these sheets. It also has the flower making instructions mentioned behind. I'll be using the flower dies from Heartfelt Creations to make our flowers, but in case you do not have the dies, I'll also show you how to make flowers without using the dies. We'll need pollen threads, ball tool, foam pad and hot glue in addition to the foam sheets. Now let's first start with die cutting. I'm using these medium-sized dies to make my flowers. I'm taking 2 foam sheets. As these are very thin, you can die cut 2 or 3 sheets at the same time. I'm cutting a small strip of foam Miran to show you how to die cut. Place your foam sheets on the base acrylic plate and then place your dies over it. For additional pressure, I am placing a scrap piece of cardstock over it. Keep the second acrylic plate over this and pass the sandwich through the die cutting machine. You can see how beautifully the foam sheets have been cut by the die. Off camera, I made some additional die cuts. To make our flowers, I am using these light yellow die cuts. Using the sponge tool, I'll apply some mustard yellow ink from Tubby Craft on the edges and the center of the flower. This inking gives a very realistic look to the flowers. Another way of coloring the flowers is to use either soft pastels or oil pastels. Very lightly wet one corner of a handkerchief or a rough cloth, rub it over the soft pastel to pick up the pigment and apply it on the edges of the petal. Soft pastels also give an equally beautiful look to your flowers. Here's a closer look at the flower. Now let's assemble our flower. For shaping our flowers, we'll need an iron. I have set my iron on the wool mode or the second level of heat setting. After the iron is hot enough, place the colored side of the flower on the iron. It begins to curl up due to the heat. Keep pressing the center of the flower with the skewer or a wooden stick to apply more heat. Now using a ball tool, press in the center of the flower to give it a more defined cupped shape. Now let's do the same for all the other flowers. After shaping all the flowers, take a piercing tool and pierce a hole in the center of the flowers. I am taking around 5 pollen threads. We'll also need a thin floral wire to pass the pollen threads through the flowers. Fold the thin floral wire in half and hold the pollen threads in a loop like I did. Now pass the wire through each flower like so. You can use 2 to 3 flowers to make one whole flower. Apply hot glue on the pollens and between each flower to secure them nicely. Remove the wire loop from the pollen threads. To make the calyx, cut a foam circle. Fold it in 4 quarters. After you get the 4 lines on the foam, make slits on those lines like so. Now cut each quarter in a leaf shape. Don't worry, it doesn't have to be perfect. Cut off the excess pollen threads of the flower. Put hot glue over the pollen thread opening and then stick the calyx over it. And here our cute flower is ready. Here are some more flowers that I made. Instead of pollen threads, you can also stick flat pearls in the center of the flowers. Using a circle punch out a circle. This is a 1.5 inch circle punch from Dressmycraft. As we did earlier, fold a circle to get 4 quarters. Make slits on the 4 fold lines. Then, make 2 more slits in each quarter. This will give us 16 petals in all. Cut each petal end in a rounded edge like so. You can also trace a flower design using a template. Next, taking inks of your choice, shade the center and the petals of the flowers as shown. Curl the flowers on the hot iron as we did earlier and then shape and cup the flowers using the ball tool. Pierce a hole in the center of the flower and then pass a bunch of pollens. This time I am using a ready-made pollen bunch and I am not cutting off the excess stem. Here I cut a calyx made from thin green fabric which I will stick at the bottom of the flower, and our handmade flower is ready. As I mentioned earlier that I am announcing a giveaway contest. To win this contest, you have to first answer a simple question related to this video and follow some rules. So here's the contest question. In today's video, which dye did I use to make the flowers? Write your answers in the comments below. Now let's take a look at the giveaway rules. Answer the simple question related to this video asked earlier. Write your answers in the comments below. Like this video and share it with as many crafty friends as possible. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on Instagram. Please stay loyal and I expect you to not unsubscribe and not unfollow after the contest is over. This giveaway contest is open only for my subscribers residing in India, as domestic shipping would be easier for me. So a big sorry to my international subscribers. The last day to participate in this contest is 15th April 2022. The results of this giveaway contest will be announced around 24th April. So stay updated for the results through my community posts on YouTube and Instagram posts. In all, I'll be selecting 4 winners. 2 from my YouTube family and 2 from my Instagram family. Each winner will receive 4 packs of Foamidant sheets. So all the best to all of you. I will see you in my next video. Take care and bye for now.